So just a quick little demo on how well this ultrasonic parts cleaner works. Take a look at this tap. See, it's filthy. So I'm going to put it in this jar that's got simple green in it. Open this jar up here. So the jar just has diluted simple green to the strongest mixture they recommend. Turn on the ultrasonic cleaner. Just going to put the jar right in there. I use a jar because I don't want to fill up my cleaner with the solvent and have to clean it out every time. So the cleaner itself is just full of water. So I've got the temperature set for 40 degrees Celsius. Turn that on. Let this run for 30 minutes and I'll bring you back when it's done. Okay, it's done running. Let's take a look at it. I gotta set this camera down again. Let's see if I can get this thing out of here. Alright, look at that. Let's see if I can get a better... Okay, so that was just a quick little demo of how well this thing works. It actually didn't show up quite as well in the video as it did in real life. There was a little bit of staining and a little bit of rust on the tap, and those kind of showed up as dark spots. Looked like maybe dirt or grease, but it wasn't. It was perfectly clean. So yeah, highly recommend these things. You just got to use the right solvent or cleaner, and heat is the key, and well worth the investment. Anyway, thanks a lot. Bye.